Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this QGIS Masterclass beginner to intermediate level course. In this quick video, I'd like to give you a very high level overview of what this course is all about, who it's designed for, and what you can expect if you decide to come on board. Now, over the course of this masterclass, we're going to step by step go through the fundamentals of QGIS all the way to a solid, practical intermediate level, always with the intention of practicality in mind, but without adding any unnecessary complexities. And while some of you might be completely new here, I think a greater majority of you might have been with GeoDelta Labs for a number of years by engaging with the hundreds of tutorial videos we have shared on our YouTube channel over the years, and it's great to have you all with us for this course. And as you might have already read, we have carefully designed this course in such a way that if you've never used QGIS before, this will give you a great start with the software. And on the other hand, if you've used QGIS just a little bit here and there, or I know some of you might be looking to jump into QGIS from other common GIS software packages like ArcMap or ArcGIS Pro, then this course is going to be ideal for you as well. Now, as we progress through the contents, we're going to spend some time learning concepts visually. Sometimes before we get into the real applications, at times I'll be using simplified analogies to explain various things. And along the way, I'll also point out things to you like common mistakes people make when using QGIS so that you know what to avoid. And if any particular concept requires more attention, we have allocated the time for those accordingly as well, so that by the end of this course, the story will be much greater than you just having followed a bunch of steps to learn a GIS software. But instead, I can guarantee that you would be actually thinking like a real GIS user. And as you'll find out soon, this is actually a structured course. We start from the foundations and slowly we build up the core skills and then we apply them in practical, real-world workflows. So I very strongly recommend following this course in order, especially if you are a beginner, as we have designed each section to prepare you for what comes next. So by the end of this QGIS Masterclass, you're going to feel super comfortable working with geospatial data and applying concepts you learned to your academic as well as professional tasks with absolute ease. So thanks very much for checking this course out. If this sounds like the kind of structured, practical QGIS training you've been looking for, you can get started right away by enrolling below, and I'll see you inside the course.